Hi, my name is Kevin Price, and I am Infor's Technical Product Evangelist for EAM. I'm making this video for you to tell you what a tremendous event Expansivo is. See, for me, this is my 4th or 5th time. If Expansivo 2020 is your first Visual Kei event, please know that you're in for a big treat. Not only will you get the chance to socialize with your peers, members of Visual Kei, and several of us here at Infor, but you also get a chance to learn in a very big way. Throughout the year, I attend a lot of different events in the industry, with other partners, with analysts, and even our own events here at Infor. Based on my experience in working with the Visual Kei team and history with Expansivo, I firmly believe that this event will be one of the best educational events for you in the year. This year, in particular, is packed with sessions to learn more about EAM, from the basics of asset and work management to some of the more advanced capabilities such as GIS, linear asset management, mobility, OpenCAD, and more. So if you wish to learn more about EAM, if you wish to speak to your peers, and if you wish to form strategic partnerships that will last throughout the year and beyond, come to Expansivo 2020. You will not regret it. Hope to see you there.